Hey guys, we all know audio plays a huge part in video content creation. And today I decided to step up my audio game, elevate to the pro level, and I've got this bad boy here. Now, if you like the sound of what you're hearing with this microphone, then keep watching and let me tell you all about this. Now say hello to my new audio sidekick, the PD300X dynamic microphone from Maono. Okay, straight out of the box, this thing is already feeling super lightweight, which I love, but don't let that fool you. It still has that premium solid build that screams quality. Even that soft sponge cushion is giving me quality vibes. Alright, let's take a sneak peek behind. Wait a sec. Is that an XLR output? Yeah, it totally is. Now that's not something you see every day on a mic like this. This is the sort of stuff usually found on an industry professional audio hardware. Ooh, check this out. This connection is super flexible for mounting on a boom arm. Oh, and accessories include a USB cable. But here's what I really love about this USB connector. It's doing double duty as a USB-C connector too. This means I can plug it straight into my Mac and my phone. Alright, let's get this bad boy hooked up to my PC, and while we're at it, I'm plugging in my go-to headphones right into that 3.5mm stereo jack. Boom. Just like that, I'm ready to monitor like a pro without juggling a bunch of cables or devices. Oh, and lastly, it comes with this gold thread adapter, which I use to connect the microphone to my boom arm. And wow, this thing feels super slick. It glides around so smoothly and rotates like a dream, making adjustments a total breeze. Plus the microphone is nice and light, which I love. And that round shock absorber, low key, the perfect little handle for grabbing and swinging the mic into place when I'm ready to jump straight into recording. Now I need to talk about this awesome 3-in-1 knob control. So press once and you get the gain control, allowing you to adjust the gain of the microphone. Tap again. And now I can control the headphone volume instead of going to my Windows audio setting. Then tap one more time and now I can control the monitor ratio adjustment. Quick press and I'm back in recording mode, and it's cool. I can see how loud I'm speaking with the green lights moving up and down. I love how I can mute and unmute with just one button press. Now my main job as a game director means a lot of collaboration with my remote team, especially when we're deep diving into level design. I'm constantly doing walkthroughs, tutorials, breaking things down, and explaining the vision as clearly as possible. Having the microphone right there, ready to go, makes a huge difference to my job. As most of you already know by now, I'm cranking out content every week over the Beyond the Pixels YouTube channel, and that usually means me, a camera, and a whole lot of animated hand gestures and excited energy. The awesome thing about this microphone is that it's totally keeping up with me. Even when I'm bouncing around or leaning in and out, it handles those audio distance changes crisp, clear, and chaos proof. And as you can see here, I can talk around it as opposed to right in front of the microphone, and it picks it up nicely. Now what I love about Maono as a brand is that the free software you can download from their website directly to work with your microphone, and they have a nice collection of software to download. So the first software I downloaded was the Maono Link software, and let me tell you, this thing's powerful. It's like having your own mini audio control center. And you can also upgrade your microphone with the latest firmware directly from the software, and boom, your mic has the latest firmware. Okay, so I'm going to be playing with the Maono Arena tool that you can just download for free off the website, and it plugs directly into this microphone. Okay, so as you see here, nice and simple, really well designed piece of software actually, and it's very intuitive. So you can see here you've got all the various input channels and various audio channels, whether it's music, chat, game, and so on. But what I'm interested in is this section here, the presets. So let's have some fun with this, okay? So I'm going to try something like heavy. Get ready for this. In a world where justice needs to be done. It's kind of cool. It's kind of like a trailer sort of vibe. Or what about something like this? Okay, that was funny. That was funny. Or what about this? Oh, thank you so much. Oh, you're too kind. Or what about something like this? Okay, that was not funny. I apologize, guys. All right. I could do a whole show like this all day. What about something like this? Yeah, let's do this. Okay, that was a bit weird. But there's some really cool stuff here. What about this one here? Ooh. Hey guys, welcome to the Beyond the Pixel show, or more like welcome to this fitness video. I can have so much fun in this. So this is really cool. This is really good for streaming, so live streaming specifically. But yeah, this is so much fun. And this comes free with the microphone. So it's a really good way to test the quality of the microphone, get your levels right, and also test it in different scenarios. Even though I can use those tools and have so much fun with them, what I really love about this microphone is that I can control everything via that 3-in-1 knob control on the microphone for fast adjustments as I record. The Maono PD300X USB-C XLR dynamic mic just nails that perfect balance of simplicity and studio grade sound. I love it. And I'm afraid that's all we got time for in this episode. But if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, if you've got this microphone, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on it. Until then, stay safe. See you in the next one.